LA County reported another big jump in COVID cases today, more than 3,700. There were another 21 deaths and nearly 750 COVID patients are in the hospital. Earlier today, I spoke with Dr. Jim Keany, an emergency physician at Orange County's Providence Mission Hospital, about COVID concerns. What are your concerns about these numbers?
Well, again, the numbers are rising, and this will be round 4 for us. Everybody's pretty worn out, so I think my biggest concerns are really for the medical staff, that they can hang with this. We've had so many nurses, dropping out of the field, and a lot of people just wanting to get out because of this. I'm just hoping that we can meet the demand. I think we will, but that's the concern. We need everybody to do their part to try and reduce the potential stress on the system.
Yeah, for sure. And talking a little bit about the concerns about having a hospital surge and trying to stay away from that, what are we seeing in the hospitals right now here in Southern California?
Definitely seeing a new surge once again. We're starting to see more patients all over again. We're starting to see a lot more COVID specifically, and then in our efforts to try and reduce hospitalizations, a lot of times we're offering that antibody infusion, and we're doing a lot more of those as well.
Also, we're going into the holiday season where a lot of people will be spending time with their family and friends, going to parties, what have you. What advice do you have for them?
Well, yeah, I assume that part of the surge we've been seeing has been due to Thanksgiving and the fact that people were starting to gather. I think the best you can do is try and avoid all the typical things we've been saying. Avoid big crowds, avoid crowded situations where you can't social distance, wear a mask, wash your hands, get vaccinated. These are the things you can control, and you should try and take care of those. If you're going to get together with your family, I think the ideal situation is you get tested the morning before you show up at your family's house. And that way, you know for sure whether you have it or whether you don't. The tests aren't perfect, but you know to the best of your ability that you're not going to give it to the rest of your family. I mean, there are these rapid tests you can buy at the store. Most of the pharmacies are out of them a lot of the times when I've looked. But that would be one strategy to try and avoid spreading.